Hello friends, today I am going to show you a special masala recipe. This masala is made by my mom. So here it is. First of all, the ingredients. It is dhania, jeera, dry chili, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and black cardamom. All the ingredients you have to dry it out on sun heat. Please don't dry roast them. After assembling all the ingredients, now it dry well in sunlight. Please remember, do not dry roast them in a kadai. Please dry them well in sunlight. When you will see the masalas are dried out completely, then bring them inside and cools down completely. When the ingredients cools down well, then grind it in a mixture. So our masala is cooled down well and now we are going to grind it. If you have small grinder like us, then you will do it twice. Place the grinder well and now grind it. The masala will be turned into smooth powder. So check it is smooth or not. As you can see that some crushes are there, so we have to regrind it. After regrind it, the masala will be turned into smooth powder. Then strain it in a strainer. So here it is. Our first batch masala is ready to use. And now we will do the second batch as like the first batch. So friends, if you like our channel, then please do subscribe and stay well. Goodbye.